Hi and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create the famous free Shopify store with 50 maximum orders. Note that this is not the 14-day trial. This will give you 50 free maximum orders. So just in brief, to achieve this, you're going to need to be a Shopify partner. So if you go to shopify.com/partners, you can sign up as a partner. And once you sign up as a partner, you'll be able to create a store, and the store that you create through your partner account will give you 50 maximum orders, and it doesn't have a trial period. You can use it for as long as you need to, and it will give you the 50 maximum orders. So that's the brief. So what you're going to learn in this video, first we're going to sign up, and then we are going to create the store in the partner account, and then I'm also going to show you how you can transfer the store. Maybe you want to transfer it to somebody else. You'll see how to do that. So let's get started. First off, go to shopify.com/partners. And once you get here, put in your email address to sign up for the partner program. So once you put in your email address and then you click on join, you can fill in your account details right here. And then when you're done, just click on create account. So I'm going to pause and then I'm going to fill in all these details, and then I'll see you in the next step. There we go. I'm already signed up. So in the last step, if you had problems creating your password, if you had a problem with your password, or you're still having problems with your password, use special characters, alphanumeric, that is a combination of numbers and letters. And then you can have a strong password that way. So your partner account, there we go. Go to your email address, and there's a confirmation there that you will need to do. Just confirm your email address right away so that you don't have to deal with it later on. Just go to your email, the email that you've used for signing up, go and confirm your email address. So I'm here, I will just confirm email. And once you confirm the email, just come here and click on. Let's go to Shopify partners. You can go to all these other places, but we're interested in Shopify partners. And it's going to bring us back to the same page where we were. So here, let's just create a new partner account and give the account information. You can just give in your details here. So go ahead and fill in all this information. Also note that you can also change some of these details later on. Business name, and I'll just call it Ricky W. Your address. Let me just fill in this. Business goals. Building apps, building. Oh, let me just choose that for the sake of it. I will choose no. And then which e-commerce platforms have you worked with? I mean, for this, it doesn't really matter. I'm just going to choose this. You can even choose that. And I will choose I have read and agreed to the partner program agreement. And then I'll click to view my dashboard. So this is your partner's dashboard. And here you have all the tools you will need to do various things. So as a partner, you can become an affiliate. Click there to look at the affiliate program. You can also look at the referral program, and you can create stores. And here on your dashboard, you can go ahead and click to create a store. The settings you made, you can also go and change them here under settings. You can also add team members. Maybe you have other people you want to add, other email addresses you want to add here. You can add team members into your Shopify partners account. But of course, we are only interested in stores. So let's just click on stores and see what we have. So if you create many stores, they will be listed here. So the first one, let's first of all create a store, and I'll just click there, add a store to create our first store. So here under stores, you see you have two different types of stores. You have development store, and a development store is the one we're going to create. This is the one that is going to give you the capability to have the 50 maximum orders. And a managed store, this is one whereby you're going to manage the store. Maybe you're a designer and you'll be helping someone build or maintain their store. This is that option for you if that's what you do if you're a freelancer. For us, we're going to choose development store. And once you choose development store, you can give the store name, and I will call this sample Ricky. So the store name is that, and the store URL is this, and this is the one you can go to, this sample Ricky.myshopify. So you're going to see the link later on. So your store URL will be the same as your store name. So name your store according to what you want for your URL, or vice versa. And if you go to sample-ricky.myshopify.com, you're going to visit your website. So you're going to see that later on, and then you need to add your details here. So you'll need to add the password and the email address that you want to use for this store. You can even use a different email address from your partner account if you want to. And then create a new password for the store, confirm the new password, and just leave this one unchecked. You can change the address details for the business, and then what is your role, what is your purpose for the store. You can build a new store for a client. You can be testing an app or a theme, or I'm just playing around. So any of this, it doesn't really matter which one you choose. I'm just going to choose, I'm just playing around. You'll still get all the features that you need. And then I'll click and save. So there you are, your store is created, and you can add your products. You can do anything with your store right now. This is just the same store like the one used by people who've just signed in directly using the Shopify free trial. So if you want to log into your store, make sure you remember your link, okay? You can save this link. Just save this link, go to your browser, then you can copy this link and save it somewhere, because every time you want to log in, you can easily log in using this. If you have this link, logging in is very easy. Put this in the browser and then put in your email address and your password. And you can test that out. Let's just open a new browser. And I will go into that. And you can see, you can log in, put in your email address, and then you're going to enter your password. You can also log in. If you can remember the name of your store, you can also log in by going to shopify.com/login. Okay, so the first thing you're going to need to do here, you enter your Shopify link. So you see, you still need to know your link for you to log in here. Okay, so let's go back to our store here. So how can you get back to your store if you're in your partner's account? Let's see how you can come in here into your store if you're in your partner's account. So I will open this in a new browser, in a new tab, and let me just go to partners.shopify.com. And when you get here, you can just click here to log in. And now you are in your partner's account. All right. So if you want to go to your stores, you can just go here under stores. And you'll see that now we have one store, and you can create even more stores. If you click there, you can add a store, and you see you can add two types of stores. You can add a managed store, or you can add a development store. This is a development store. And if you want to log into this store, you can just click here. You can just click here to log into the store. And you see, if I click it, it just automatically logs me into the store. Okay. So just click on login, and you'll be able to log into the store from your Shopify partners account. And if you want to transfer this store, you can just click here, transfer ownership. If you're transferring the store, you can see here, you can also add a 90-day trial for whoever you're transferring the store to. So once they get the store, they can use it for 90 days and they will not be charged. Yeah, also read this to know what it's about. So you can see I don't have any account, but if I click here, I can add a staff account to transfer the store to. Before you can transfer this store, make sure you add a staff member. So the person that you're transferring to, add them as a staff member. If they're your clients, whoever they are, just add them as a staff member. So just click here, add a staff member, and you'll be taken to a new tab where you can add the new staff member. And the new staff member is going to be the new owner of this. First name, put in their email address, and then they're going to receive an email, and then they're going to choose a plan. Once you create the staff, so your only task here is to create a staff member. Once you create a staff member, first name, last name, you will come here and you can choose the staff member from here. And after that, just click on transfer store. So I hope you get it. It's something that you can do very fast. So let's go let's click here to our stores and let's log in. And if you want to edit your store, just come here under online store and you can edit how your store looks. This is where you're going to edit the store, the themes, all that you can do here. If you want to add products, you'll need to add your products here. But the actual design of your store, you can do that here. Just click on online store and then you can design pages. You can add blog posts. You can change the theme. If you come here, you can choose a different theme and so much more. If you know how to work with Shopify, then this is a very easy step for you. If you don't, there are lots of tutorials you can find on how to create your online store. But the bigger part was how to get a trial with 50 orders. And that's how you get it. You create a development store using your Shopify partners account. So that's it for this video. In this video, you've seen how you can set up your Shopify partners account and then create an online Shopify store that will give you 50 maximum orders for free. And you've also seen how you can transfer the store. Just go into your Shopify partners account, click on stores, and then you can see transfer ownership. So that's it for this video. I hope it helps you to create your store and sell at least 50 products before you can upgrade. So just remember the link of your store is very important. That /myshopify.com. And then to log in, you go to the link /admin. Just make sure you copy that and then you save it somewhere so that you can use it for logging in every time you want to log into your Shopify store. So that's it for this video. I will see you in another video next time.